Simplify the expression. Assume that all variables represent positive real numbers. Negative 64 to the negative 4/3 power. First, we'll use the definition of negative exponents to rewrite this as 1 over negative 64 to the 4/3 power. We can then rewrite the rational exponent in the denominator so that we have 1 over negative 64 to the 1/3 power all to the 4th power. Now we can evaluate negative 64 to the 1/3 power. This is the cube root of negative 64, which is negative 4. So we have 1 over negative 4 to the 4th power. Negative 4 to the 4th power is 256, so we have 1 over 256.